What's up everyone? Today we'll be replacing these clear BMW E46 Compact rear lights for these red ones. So what you need to do to replace them is disconnect the cable, and then there are 3 screws, one over here, one on the other side, and one all the way up top here. That one is hard to reach. You can also see it if I show you here. So this one is this one right here, and then there is one on the other side and at the top. So just unscrew those, pull it out, and put in the new one. Alright, so this is way harder than it should be, but I found out a trick that if you remove the bulb holder, it's way easier to get to the bolts that you need to. So just remove that. The stop bolt is so annoying. I really don't know how to get it out. You can't even get the wrench in there. I can barely get my hand in there. So I finally got it out. This was very annoying too. The upper nut was very hard to get off. So either take this whole thing off before removing the light, or just pull it out like this, and then it was easier to get the nut out. Alright, so the first light is in. Now I'm doing the second one. This one is going a bit harder because there is a fucking windshield wiper pipe that goes down from here, so that makes it even more annoying. But I managed to get 2 bolts out, and now by moving this out of the way, I'm going to get the final one, which is right there. Unscrew that, pull it out, put in the new one. Alright, so here it is, the clear light taken off. Now I'm gonna put the red one in, and then it will be finished. In with the red light. Just fit it in there. Now to connect it, like that. Finally, there it is. It was really annoying to replace these lights. I don't know why they made it so hard to get to the nuts, the fucking nut. Let's test out the blinker. Maybe test out the lights too. So the lights work. But yeah, there it is. Right, so there it is. Thank you everyone for watching. Let me know if in the comments if this video was actually helpful or if it was shite. And see you all next time.